Welcome to another DIY video. This time, I am going to show you how to move 1,000 pounds rocks or boulders by myself using a mid-size pickup truck Honda Ridgeline. This is an inspirational video because many of you may have seen how I built my deck in the backyard. But some of you don't actually believe I did it by myself. In this video, I will inspire you. Almost everything around your house is DIYable by one person, including moving the boulders. And of course, that's how I saved the $100 delivery. I was at the local stone and landscaping supply company a couple weeks ago. Here are some boulders that captured my eyes. Now, how to select these beautiful boulders for your garden is not the scope of this video because there are so much details I want to share. I have to create a separate video just for that if you are interested in building a maintenance-free Zen garden. Stay tuned for that. Have you been to Honda's official YouTube channel before? If yes, you may have seen this. They dump the concrete blocks directly onto the composite bed to prove how strong the bed is. This is stupid, I'm telling you. It will scratch and cut the bed very badly. What you need to do is to tell the staff on site to load your boulders into the wooden crate. They will give you the final weight. Keep in mind, Honda Ridgeline has a payload of 1,500 pounds. You have to keep it under that or you will be asking for trouble.
Oh, look at this. Lovely.
Pick it back up, okay?
Yep. All right.
They will help you to lower it onto the bed. This way, there will be zero scratches on the Honda Pilot with the bed. That's the dash cam from the back. If you are interested on how I hardwired the dash cam for parking mode, check out this video. I will post the link in the description. If you drive a Honda, you should check it out. To protect the tailgate, I am using a piece of 3/4 plywood. Next, I am making a ramp using this aluminum ramp kit. All you have to do is to attach it to a 2x8. This is extremely useful if you go to your local hardware store to rent the plate compactor. Yes, I told you before, it can be done by one person. There's no need to ask for help. The plate compactor was used to fix the asphalt depression. That's one of my old videos I strongly recommend. I will post the link in the description. Now the ramp is ready. To make life easier, you may want to have a hand truck. Next, I am using a piece of particle board from my old IKEA furniture. This can minimize the friction. You may or may not need this. To make this as a satisfying and inspirational video, I am going to shut up for the next couple of minutes and let you watch how I accomplish, or perhaps struggling by myself, yes, one person. Enjoy! I hope this helps. Don't underestimate yourself. This video is dedicated to all DIY weekend warriors. For those of you who have a small pickup truck like I do, that's how I transport the 16 feet long lumber, 2 by 8 by 16, when I work on my deck in my backyard. Give this a thumbs up if you think this video has some good information. I hope I have inspired you to start your next DIY project. Also, you may want to check out other videos on my channel. I am pretty sure you will love them. Remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.